Him. We have come into this house, gathered in His name to worship Him. We have come into this house to gather in His name to worship Him. Worship Him, Jesus Christ, our Lord. So forget about yourself and concentrate on Him and worship Him. Yes. So forget about yourself and concentrate on Him and worship Him. So forget about yourself and concentrate on Him and worship Him. Why don't you worship Him? Worship Him, Jesus worship